ladies, it's Andrea from Fab at Any Age. Be fabulous forever. Well, today I am taking you to the office of Dr. Joshua Zimm.
How are you?
How are you, ladies? Say hello to Dr. Zimm.
Hello.
And today we're going to do a very, very special procedure for you. It's a procedure that I know everyone wants to know about. Dr. Zimm is going to be using Ulthera on my client, and now his client, Christine. Ulthera is an ultrasound that's going to wipe out facelifts, or at least postpone facelifts, or help you when you did have a facelift. So talk to the ladies and tell us about Ulthera and why they should come here and do this procedure.
Well, Ulthera is a relatively new treatment. It's been in the United States for about 2 years, and the really great thing about it is that there's no downtime from the treatment. Not like in a facelift where you have to recover for 3 or 4 weeks. There's no downtime. It gives you lifting and tightening. It's different from a laser. It's not a laser. It uses ultrasound treatment, and it's below the surface of the skin. So it gives you a nice lift and tightening effect, because what it does is it allows the deeper tissues to make new collagen. As we age, our collagen tends to get a little disorganized, and we lose some of our volume, and we lose some of our tissues tend to descend. And what happens with Ulthera is it uses ultrasound to generate heat deep in the tissues, not on the skin, but deeper in the surface, and it allows the muscle layer and the deeper tissues to tighten. And this is a gradual process.
Right.
And it's a change that is, it's the only FDA-approved treatment that allows for lifting as well as tightening.
Oh, you can't beat that.
Without undergoing the knife.
Right, without the knife. So it's one time only, unless you want to touch up in a year or two. And it's an ultrasound. And it will stop the fear of having to have a facelift again. Or if you really can't afford a facelift, I think this is really cost effective to do.
Right.
So Christina, she's going to do it, and I'm going to show you how it works.
Great. Looking forward to it.
Right.
What we've done to this point is we've marked all the various areas that we're treating. We've marked, this is the upper limit of our lower face treatment, which is right here. And we've marked various areas that are going to be segmented with our treatment in the lower face as well as into the neck. Alright, so now what I'm doing is I'm looking on the screen to make sure I'm in the right spot. I'm looking for the exact area that I want to treat, which is the deeper tissue. So I see that I'm in the right spot because I'm looking there, and I start. Now you're going to feel a little bit here. Now how did that feel, Christine? Is it okay?
Oh, that's great. Cool. Christina, how do you feel?
I feel great.
Well, you look great. You see her neck and her face? You can almost see it now. I mean, it does take about 3 months, correct?
Yes. Some people see an effect immediately.
Right.
Some people, and then there's an additional effect about 2 weeks after the treatment. And then that continues up to 3 to 6 months is when you get your peak maximal treatment.
Unbelievable.
So it's ongoing.
Yeah.
And subtle.
Right. It is subtle. And it wasn't that painful.
No, but more importantly, I just think not having to cut my face at this point in my life and have a chance to have a refreshed feeling, it's very great. It's great.
So glad I brought you here. And thank you,
Andrea.
Dr. Zimm.
Thank you, Andrea.
So ladies, if you want to avoid the facelift, if you had the facelift, if you're looking to have skin tightening, skin lifting, call Dr. Zimm. His name and an email address and phone number will be under his name. And goodbye for now from Andrea, Dr. Zimm, Christina, and Fab at Any Age. Be fabulous forever.